Stop wasting your money on factory speakers that sound like they're underwater. If you want a soundstage that actually sits on your dashboard instead of down by your ankles, you need a component kit. Today, I'm breaking down my top 5 picks for two-way component speaker systems with proven performance for all budgets. We're starting with the entry-level budget picks and working our way up to the absolute best kit you can buy for your ride. If you're tired of muddy bass and screeching highs, stick around. I'm showing you exactly what to buy and why. Before we get into the list, let's talk about components for a second. I've spent years crawling under dashboards, fishing 4-gauge power wire through grommets and firewalls, and skinning my knuckles on door metal. Component kits are a different beast than your standard coaxials. You've got a separate woofer, a separate tweeter, and a crossover box that tells them what to do. It means more wiring, more mounting, and usually a bit of a headache hiding those crossovers under the kick panels or behind the door skins. But the payoff? It's massive. I've picked these 5 because they actually hold up. I've seen them survive the vibration of a daily commute and the heat of a summer afternoon. All the links to these are sitting in the description box below, so go ahead and check those for the latest deals while we talk. Starting us off at number 5 is the Pyle PLG-6C two-way custom component system. Look, I know what some of you are thinking. Pyle? Really? But listen, I get people in the shop all the time who just want to hear their music again, and they only have a few bucks to spend. For the price of a couple of pizzas, you get a full component kit. It's got a yellow poly-injected cone that looks pretty cool behind a speaker grill, and it actually handles a decent amount of power. Are they going to beat the high-end picks later on this list? No way. Not even close. But are they better than the paper cone trash that came in your car from the factory? Absolutely. They're a great way to learn how to install components. You can practice running your wires, mounting your tweeters, and crimping your ring terminals without worrying about ruining a $500 set of speakers. If you're flipping a car or you're just a student on a budget, these will get the job done, and they'll do it with a bit of flair. Just don't expect them to win any sound quality competitions. Check the link in the description if you're looking for the cheapest way to get components in your ride. Moving up to number 4, we have the Rockford Fosgate Prime R165S 6.5-inch two-way component system. Rockford is a legendary name in car audio, and the Prime series is their entry-level component kit. It's not flashy. It doesn't have fancy cones or 3-ohm tricks. What it has is fanatic build quality. These are the perfect first upgrade. If your factory speakers have dry rotted or the cones have ripped, and you just want something that sounds way better than stock without a complicated install, this is it. The crossovers on these are actually built into the tweeter lines in some versions, or they're very small, which makes it way easier to tuck them behind the door panel without having to use heavy-duty double-sided tape or screws. I've put these in everything from old Civics to work vans. They handle about 40 watts RMS, which is perfect for a modern aftermarket head unit. You don't necessarily need a big amp to make these sing, though they'll certainly take it. They're crisp, they're clear, and they just work. If you're on a budget but you want a brand that's been in the game forever, you can't go wrong here. Coming in at number 3 is the JBL GTO 609C Premium 6.5-inch component speaker system. Now, JBL and Infinity are cousins, but they have different personalities. If you want a speaker that knows how to party, this is the one. These speakers are built to be loud. They have a 3-ohm architecture, which is a little trick to pull more power out of your factory head unit or a small amp. If you aren't planning on running thick power wires and a massive dedicated amp right away, these are a great choice because they're so efficient. I see these go into a lot of trucks and daily drivers. The build is rugged. The carbon-injected cones can handle a beating. I've seen these covered in dust and grime in work trucks, and they just keep playing. The sound is very front row concert. It's aggressive in a good way. If you listen to rock, hip-hop, or EDM, you're going to love the energy these bring. Just make sure you spend some time hiding those wires under the door sills properly, because these tweeters come with a lot of mounting hardware that gives you plenty of options for a clean look. Now, we're getting into the serious zone. Number 2 is a kit I probably install more than almost anything else, the Infinity Reference 6530CX 6.5-inch two-way component system. Infinity has this signature sound that's all about brightness and detail. If you listen to a lot of acoustic music, jazz, or anything with a lot of vocals, these are going to blow your mind. They use these edge-driven textile tweeters that are smooth as silk. One thing I love is the +1 woofer cone. Basically, they figured out a way to make the cone's surface area larger than other speakers of the same size. More surface area means more air movement, and more air movement means better mid-bass. When I'm tucked under a dash trying to find a spot for crossovers, I appreciate that Infinity kept these relatively compact. They also have a little button on the crossover to boost or cut the tweeter by 3 decibels. That's huge because every car interior is different. If your tweeters are reflecting off a windshield, you can dial them back so they don't pierce your ears. These are for the guy who wants high-end sound without the massive premium price tag. They're reliable, they're loud, and they fit in almost anything. Now this is it. The absolute best of the best in this list. If you've got the room in your wallet, and you want the ultimate listening experience, the Focal PS165FE Flax Evo 6.5-inch two-way component kit is the winner. I remember the first time I put a set of these in a high-end build. The customer wanted natural sound. Most speakers use plastic or paper, but Focal uses real flax sandwiched between glass fiber layers. When you hold these in your hand, you can feel the build quality. They're made in France, and they look like pieces of art. These are a dream to tune. I usually hook these up to a high-quality 4-channel amp, set my gains with the oscilloscope to make sure we aren't clipping, and the result is just transparent. The mid-bass is punchy but not bloated. It doesn't sound like a speaker, it sounds like the artist is sitting on your hood. The tweeters are inverted domes, which is a Focal signature. They give you a wide soundstage, so even if your factory tweeter pods are in a weird spot, you still get a great image. If you're an audiophile and you want to do it right the first time, this is the kit. No matter which one of these you pick, the install is what makes or breaks the sound. Don't just screw the woofer into the metal door frame and call it a day. Use some sound-deadening material around the hole to seal it up. It stops the metal from vibrating and makes your mid-bass way tighter. When you're running your tweeter wires, make sure you aren't pinching them in the door hinges. I've seen so many pro installs fail because a wire got caught and shorted out against the frame. Take the extra 10 minutes to zip tie everything down. And for the love of all things loud, check your phase. If you swap the positive and negative on one speaker, your bass will literally disappear. I always use a phase popper before I put the door panels back on. It saves me from having to take the whole thing apart again. Go ahead and check the description below for Amazon links to the best deals on these component speaker kits. Now I want to hear from you. What are you running in your ride right now? Are you a sound quality guy or do you just want it to be as loud as possible? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to Audio Revamp. We've got a lot more builds, tool reviews, and how-to videos coming your way from the shop.